Wait a minute.
Oh! Danny Miles is ambushed. Bronson. Now he's got that logger's chain.
I told you! You guys are gonna finish this!
Come on, that is a lethal weapon. Gotta get that thing away from him, ref.
Don't do it!
Right to the back of the head. Down goes Bronson, hitting him in the back of the head.
Wait a minute. No.
Oh, come on. We need some help. Get him off. Get Danny Miles off of Bronson. He's turning blue. Bronson is turning blue. Here come referees Jack Hill and Rich Bass assisting Tony P. He is losing consciousness. That's it. The referees are getting forceful right now.
It's not helping. It's not helping.
Look at the eyes rolling in the back of the head of Bronson. Jack Hill right there checking on his man. Jack Hill, also a licensed paramedic. And Miles has made a statement. And that was the exclamation point right there.
Go. I'll help you out, man. Whoa.
Danny Miles, you want to take this to the next level? Then let's take it to the next level. You brought a chain into this? Fine. Next time you and I meet in that ring, you're not running anywhere. We're going to be bound together. We are gonna spill each other's blood at that music hall. And we are gonna tear each other limb from limb in a dog collar match.